Shubha Priya is asking, could you talk about job assistance after taking a bundle from Sastrageek? I always tell my student, we provide 200% assurity to get a job. 200%. If you follow what we have given. When you'll be taking a bundle, you'll be given more than 200 hours of content with SAP Job Hunt Mastery. So if you cover all the content, if you do all the exercise in the system, if you complete all the assignment, and if you go through my SAP Job Hunt Mastery course and do all the activities which has been given, nothing can stop you. I don't have any students who comes to me, ki, sir, SAP Job and Mastery I have done completed. I have completed the other course also. I'm not getting interview calls, or I'm not able to get selected into the interviews. I understand that a lot of people got trained. They don't get into the job. A lot of people get trained, but they don't get into the job. The reason why they are not able to get into the job, I try to understand. That's where I try to fill a bridge with SAP Job and Mastery course. If you ask, what is the job assistant from Sastrageek? Our SAP Job and Mastery course is the biggest job assistant available from Sastrageek, and I guarantee you nowhere available around the world. Okay, if you go through the course content, you will definitely able to get the job if you complete it as we have guided. We also collect your CV. Sastrageek.com/CV is our tool where we get collected all the CVs, and then we forward it to the companies where we are associated with it. What we don't have is a backdoor entry for you. Even some places I can do, but I don't do it. That don't benefit you in the longer term. I'm not a Hyderabad institute ki bhaiya tum course kar lo. I will give you a fake certificate, and from the back door, you will get entry to one of the companies. If that you're looking for, you should look for some institute in Hyderabad. I'm not one of them. Okay, I want to make sure that you, with your own legs, you would be able to get the interview calls, you would be able to clear the interviews. When you join a company, you would be able to stand there and work as a consultant. That's what we focus on, right? And if you'll be able to go through all of the things which has been mentioned, until unless you have a very bad communication, ki bhaiya English hi nahi boli ja rahi, then it's a different story, right? But if you have a decent communication skills, you would be able to pass through it. If you go through the content, do all the hands-on, complete it, nothing can stop you.